Hi Big Tractor Power fans, this video comes to you from a Western Kentucky winter wheat field where a John Deere 9500 Maximizer combine is harvesting the crop. In this video we're going to take a look at this machine's production history, specifications, and original price tag, as well as climbing up in the cab and seeing the operator's perspective of running a classic 1990s John Deere combine. But first, let's head out to the field so you can see and hear the wheat harvest in action. The 9500 combine was introduced in 1989 as part of John Deere's new Maximizer series of combines under the slogan of Step into the 90s. The Maximizer series of self-propelled combines included three machines: a Model 9400 that featured a 182 bushel grain tank and 4 straw walkers, the Model 9500 that is equipped with a 204 bushel grain tank and 4 straw walkers, and the big 9600 with 5 straw walkers and a 240 bushel grain tank. The 9000 series of Maximizer combines were manufactured by John Deere at its harvester works in East Moline, Illinois from 1989 through 1997. The John Deere 9500 is powered by a 7.6 liter 466 cubic inch engine, initially rated at 190 horsepower, and it was bumped up to 215 horsepower in 1991. This combine features a hydrostatic variable 3-speed transmission. It's equipped with a 140-gallon diesel fuel tank and fitted with a 204 bushel grain tank that can unload through a 20-foot unloading auger at 2 bushels per second. The combine weighed in from the East Moline, Illinois factory at 22,910 pounds, and its original price tag was $117,912. The 9500 Maximizer combine harvesting wheat in this video is teamed up with an 18-foot wide John Deere 218 grain platform. This header was manufactured from 1979 through 1987 for the company's Titan series of combines. The original price tag of a 218 grain platform was $10,044. The John Deere 9500 Maximizer combine was the direct replacement for the Model 7720 Titan II combine that was manufactured from 1985 through 1988. The Titan series of combines featured a left side mounted Soundguard cab and a right side mounted engine. The Maximizer series streamlined the combine, moving the cab to the center of the front of the combine and the engine to the rear center of the machine. The John Deere 7720 Titan II was also a mid-size machine in the Titan series. It is powered by a 7.6 liter 466 cubic engine rated at 145 horsepower. An optional 165 horsepower engine was also available for this machine. It's equipped with a 100-gallon diesel fuel tank and fitted with a 190 bushel grain tank that unloads at 1.9 bushels per second. The original price tag of a John Deere 7720 Titan II combine was $86,346. John Deere replaced the 9500 Maximizer combine with the 9510 Maximizer combine in 1998. This machine remained in production through the year 2000. It is powered by a John Deere 8.1 liter 496 cubic inch engine rated at 220 horsepower. An optional 240 horsepower engine was also available for the 9510. It is equipped with a 140 gallon diesel fuel tank and fitted with a 204 bushel grain bin that unloads at 2 bushels per second. The 9510 weighs in at 23,500 pounds. The original price tag for a 9510 Maximizer combine was $147,892. I'm up in the cab of a 1993 John Deere 9500 Maximizer combine. This combine is equipped with an 18-foot head. You can see it's taking in the winter wheat very nicely. This was a big change from John Deere's Titan series, and the cab had even more visibility, moving equipment up to the quarter post over here, additional instrumentation up here on the roof of the cab, and then moving all of your controls over here to the right hand side of the operator. The operator also has a good view of the grain tank. You can see the winter wheat pouring in there. Is appointed also with mirrors, so the operator can see what's happening on the side of the combine as well. Nice additions to this cab was not only was it more spacious for the operator as far as using the controls and having space, but it was also the first John Deere combine to offer a buddy seat, so you could actually have 2 people in the cab. This is also known as the instructional seat, where someone could learn about the operation of the machine before they took over to do some harvesting. Here we can see the buddy seat, which gives that extra space in the cab for a rider and great instrumentation in the machine. hope that you've enjoyed spending some time out in this western Kentucky winter wheat field, seeing and hearing this John Deere 9500 Maximizer combine at work, as well as riding along in the cab to see the operator's perspective of harvesting the wheat crop. I'd like to hear if you use a John Deere 9500 combine or other Maximizer series machines on your farm, or have you operated one in the past? Let me know about it in the comments section below this video. And if you've enjoyed the video, consider subscribing to Big Tractor Power YouTube, where there's over 1,000 videos of farm machines in action. As always, thank you for watching.